Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you saw my last video about Canada's 2026 immigration update, you already know that 5 new job categories are now being prioritized. But what exactly is express entry? How do you apply? And what's this new requirement everyone's talking about? Let's break it all down, step by step. Express entry is Canada's main immigration system for skilled workers. It manages 3 programs: Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP, Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP, and Canadian Experience Class, CEC. It's a points-based system. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting invited. Canada is now prioritizing 5 key job categories for express entry invitations. 1. Researchers and senior managers, especially those with Canadian work experience. 2. Transport workers, like truck drivers and logistics professionals. 3. Military personnel. 4. Healthcare workers, like nurses, doctors, and support staffs. And 5. STEM professionals, like tech, engineering, and data science experts. New requirement: you must have at least 1 year of work experience in the last 3 years, not necessarily continuous. French speakers get bonus points. Canadian work experience is now more valuable than ever. Check eligibility age, education, work experience, language ability, English, French, and adaptability. Use Canada's CRS calculator to estimate your score. Take language tests, IELTS or CELPIP for English, TF or TCF for French. Get your ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. This is required if your education is from outside Canada. Create your express entry profile, submit online through the IRCC portal, and you'll enter the express entry pool and get a CRS score. Receive an invitation to apply. If your score is high enough or you're in a priority category, you may get invited. Submit your PR application, upload documents, pay fees, and wait for processing, usually 6 months. Improve your language scores. Even a small increase can boost your CRS. Get a job offer from a Canadian employer. Adds points. Apply for a Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. Adds 600 points. Gain Canadian work experience if possible. Learn French. It's a game changer in 2026. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to get started with Canada's 2026 express entry. If you're serious about moving to Canada, now's the time to prepare. I'll be dropping more videos soon on how to calculate your CRS score, how to find jobs in Canada, and how to apply for PNPs. So hit that subscribe button, and let's make your Canada dream a reality.